Welcome back. In this video, we are going to speak about the syllabus of the Google Form training. It is consisted of 5 parts. In part number 1, it's going to be an introduction about what is the Google Drive, what are the requirements to use the Google Form, along with some examples. In part 2, we are going to actually create the Google Form. We are going to speak about the options that we have, the type of questions, and we are going to speak about the required and conditional questions. Part number 3 will be about sharing the survey or the form. We will speak about the sharing options, how we can track the answers, and how we can close the survey after we have collected all the data that we need. In part number 4, we will speak about the results, how we can see the results online, how we can export them to Google Sheet, and how to export them to Excel, and finally how we can use them or adapt them with the SPSS. Part 5 is going to be a closing note about this course. Thank you.